Good morning, friends. This is time for the trade plan for 12th of November 2020. Now, before we get started, just an announcement for our upcoming webinar on 28th of November 2020. Uh, it's going to be a trading webinar held on a Saturday from 9 to 6. It's 20,000 plus GST per seat. Please contact 98710 on WhatsApp or email at ashwani_gujral at yahoo.com. That's ASHWANI underscore GUJRAL at yahoo.com. It will be dealing with all trader issues, the weekly options, the money management, uh, the pivot situation, uh, basically rejection of levels, support resistance type of trading. So it'll basically be the sort of webinar which cuts through noise, cuts through the clutter. So the seats are going fairly quickly. Please register well in time, and we hope to have a very enjoyable session on the 28th. Now, this morning, let's see how the overnight markets reacted. This is S&P 500, and as we said yesterday, it is holding this trend line. It closed fairly well. It had a bit of choppiness, but finally the close was uh, excellent, and it looks like the markets are probably going to move higher from here. This morning, Asia is open fairly decently, and all Asian markets are slowly moving higher. SGX Nifty, if we see, right now is about 12,759. In fact, that is the rate I'm getting here on the television. It's about 5 points higher, which is about 12,765. I think for the moment, the market is overstretched, and there is nothing to say that it can't become more overstretched. And like I've been saying, that we need to basically keep on in the direction of the trend. If you do get some declines, you need to buy into them. So for the moment, I would say broadly, your stops are yesterday's lows of about 12,580, 600 on the Nifty. On the Bank Nifty, you have levels of about 28,000, 28,200. For the day, uh, the Nifty pivot is 12,696 and R1 is 12,822. So once we get past, say, 12,822, we'll get follow through. And similarly on the Bank Nifty, pivot is 28,695 and R1 is 29,180. The markets are expected to open flat and then possibly move on from there. it's possible that you have a sideways to upside bias where early morning, things are a bit flattish, and then later on in the second half, you tend to pick up. Also, the bank stocks had a day off, like IT had a day off day before. So it will be interesting to see how IT tends to move up. I think crossing of yesterday's high on both Nifty and Bank Nifty should lead to higher levels. So that is something we watch out for. So that should be it for today. I think the market remains in a strong uptrend. FIIs continue to buy. If we see the dollar index, that is below 93 this morning. Nothing wrong there. So chances are that post subdued first 2 or 3 hours, we should move higher. That should be it for right now. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.